Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Gunjan and you're watching Travers with Sharma, and I'm again here for you all to make a video which you guys are very excited about, which is should I do Indian makeup on brown skin? And you guys really wanted me to make this video, so I'm here all dressed up in sari. I'm actually creating a look that I created last year in December at my friend's brother's wedding, and that is what we are going today, and I'm going to show you good makeup hacks as well today. So as I have mentioned in that prompt that I will be using one makeup brand, we have decided to use maximum, I think I will say maximum of the products, because मैं थोड़ा सा इस वीडियो में चीट कर रही हूँ. वैसे तो मैं सारे 90% of the products Elitine के ही यूज कर रही हूँ because it's the most affordable drugstore brand that we have right now and it is actually very good. I will be telling you guys about each and every product, how long lasting they are, and अगेन एट द सेम टाइम मैं एक दो प्रोडक्ट्स दूसरे ब्रांड के यूज कर रही हूँ बिकॉज मेरे पास वो प्रोडक्ट एलिटीन के नहीं है एंड आई वांट टू शो यू गाइज अ प्रॉपर इंडियन मेकअप लुक ऑन अ ब्राउन skin and how it elevates your overall game. I think we should get started, but before that, if you guys don't know my Instagram, here it is. You can just follow me. I'm quite active over there. And with this, I'm also adding this beautiful neck piece, which goes so well with this sari. In the past also I've made this one video in sari, so I've just tagged it over here. You guys can check it out. But let's get started with this video. And we have a maximum of the products from Elitine right now. I only have my skincare on, which is the serum and sunscreen, and I always recommend you guys to not skip sunscreen because if you guys see my skin being so brightened up, so cleared up, I will give the credit to my sunscreen because that has something I have been consistent with. So as we are doing an Indian makeup and we are basically doing a makeup which is ideal for your weddings and all, we have to have a makeup that lasts longer. And if you don't like trust a brand at times, so the best thing that you can do is apply a good hydrating primer. So I'm using this one from Elitine, which is their Ace Base Primer. It is the most affordable and a good primer, if I would say. मैंने बहुत बहुत पहले इसको यूज किया था. तभी मैंने ये small pack ही यूज किया था. And I'm just gonna take some on my finger. I'm gonna just, it is so hydrating and it, you'll see my skin how it starts glowing once I apply it. It is so lightweight. It is not like that very sticky, very light sticky it is, so that's why I like this one. I mean, I just don't feel it on my face that much. Once we are done, so what I do always is I first start in with my eyes, because once I've done with my whole face, if I've applied any base like foundation or skin tint, whenever I'm doing like my eye makeup, it either falls on my face or even my hand also keeps touching my skin, which I don't like. So we'll start with the eye now. So I always say that if you don't have a concealer and you have a foundation, you can use it as a concealer. And if you have a concealer, not a foundation, you can use it as a foundation because both of them gives you a good coverage. That is what their scene is. So I'm using the Elitine's Lasting Glow Foundation and it is in the shade 02 Marble. I mean, I have not seen such a good shade match. So I'm just gonna take some product on the back of my hand. I think this is enough for my eyes. I can apply a little under my this area. And I can also leave it for some time. Just that. Okay. I'm gonna gently use it like this. So that because my under eyes are hollow, if I don't use my product correctly, my hollowness will increase. So I have to make sure that it does not come across that way. And yeah, we have perfectly covered our eyes. If you guys can see now, the coverage looks good. And I think over my eyelids also, it is looking fine now. Once I've done with the concealer, now I feel like going in with the eyeshadow. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I don't have Elitine's eyeshadow palette. I have this one from Evelyne. मैंने बहुत से videos में बताया भी है. I just love the color in this palette. I mean, all the coffee colors. And the name of the shades are also based on coffee. Like we have flat white, latte, cappuccino, mocha, macchiato. I mean, frappe, iced coffee, whatnot. So today I'm thinking of going with Irish coffee, but I feel like going in with mocha. I feel like that this is the right shade. So I'm just gonna go in with the brush. At times I also use like my finger for this, but brush of this palette is good. How beautifully the shade is. Okay, so I'm using the shade Arabica now, which is a glittery eyeshadow. Glitter is very important, I feel like, for your Indian makeup look when you're doing. Now that we're done with the eyeshadow, it's time for the eyeliner. I believe if you don't have an eyeliner, if you are someone who is like into kajal, have an amazing kajal. This one from Elitine, which is their Eye Drama Bold Black Kajal. ओ माई गॉड, द मोमेंट आई गॉट दिस, मैंने अपना फेसेस कनाडा का काजल मैं लिटरली भूल गई हूँ, बिकॉज इसका कवरेज इतना अच्छा है। कल रात को मैंने इसको ट्राई किया था, ये हट ही नहीं रहा था। एंड मैंने इसको आंखों पे भी लगाया था। इट इज वेरी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग, वाटर प्रूफ मस्कारा है, स्मच प्रूफ मस्कारा है, विच मीन्स इट्स नॉट गोना गो एनीवेयर। तो स्मच का तो तुम भूल ही जाओ, और अगर आप लोग को काजल पसंद है तो काजल के जैसे तो इसको यूज कर ही सकते हो। आई एम गोना यूज इट एज एन आईलाइनर एंड लेट मी शो यू ऑल कितना अच्छे से ग्लाइड करेगा। God. Because it is a smudge proof kajal, you can use it like in bold ways also. If you want little thick तो आप वैसे भी इसको कर सकते हो। मैं इसको थोड़ा हल्का सा एक और बार ग्लाइड कर रही हूँ। आई एम समवन हु यूजुअली डोंट लाइक अप्लाइंग काजल अंडर माई आईज। मुझे लगता है कि मेरी आंखें इतनी अच्छी नहीं लगती है, तो मैं बहुत ही हल्का सा एंड्स में लगाती हूँ। गोना दिस मच, इतना सा मैं लगाऊंगी इसको ताकि वो थोड़ा सा एनहांस हो, लाइक माई आईज हैव लिटरली एनहांस लिटिल बिट। दैट्स इट। फुल आईज मेरे को नहीं पसंद है काजल की, सो आई जस्ट यूज इट एज एन आईलाइनर एंड इट वर्क्स परफेक्टली फॉर मी। ओके, नाउ लेट्स गो इन विद द फेस। तो अभी हम फाउंडेशन लगा लेते हैं। ये फाउंडेशन मुझे इसलिए भी पसंद है बिकॉज इट लिटरली एक्ट्स लाइक अ स्किन टिंट। मतलब मैं दिखाती हूँ कि कैसे ये ग्लाइड होता है। जस्ट लुक एट दिस, कितना अच्छा है। मतलब दिस इज समवेयर अराउंड 150 और समथिंग, एंड इवन द काजल इज अराउंड 125। जस्ट लुक एट दिस, आई मीन कितना अच्छे से ये स्टिक हो रहा है मेरे फेस पे। फेस, इफ यू वांट लाइक मोर कवरेज ऑन अदर एरियाज देन यू कैन टेक प्रोडक्ट। मैंने बहुत ज्यादा प्रोडक्ट नहीं लिया है and उसमें मेरा इतना अच्छा ग्लो आ गया है। मतलब कैन यू गाइस सी दिस? और ये स्टिल मुझे एक स्किन टिंट जैसा लगता है, बट आई फील लाइक अ गुड फाउंडेशन टू हैव इन योर वैनिटी इफ यू आर समवन इनटू अफोर्डेबल प्रोडक्ट्स। हमारे पास काफी अच्छे ब्रांड है टू ट्राई, बट अफोर्डेबल में बहुत अच्छा फाउंडेशन है फ्रॉम एलिटीन। It's time for me to apply blush. For blush, I'm using the lip gloss. So मैंने ये lip gloss use करी है, which is their oh my god lip gloss in the shade Pink Alicious. मैंने already इसको use करा है जब ये आई थी मेरे पास, and oh my god, looks really good. मैंने इतना ही लेना है क्योंकि ये बहुत ज्यादा फैल जाएगा। मुझे लगा मैंने ऑलरेडी बहुत ज्यादा ले लिया है। थोड़ा सा on my nose, थोड़ा सा on my chin. I'm gonna use my brush. कैन यू सी बहुत सटल सा फिनिश आ रहा है इससे। थोड़ा सा हम और लेंगे, कमी लग रही है हमें ब्लश की। वी डोंट वांट गो लाइक अ ब्लश ब्लाइंडनेस सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग, बट इंडियन मेकअप लुक के लिए ब्लश इज इम्पोर्टेंट। मीन वाओ। I think we're just done with the blush. Can you see that little pinkness that is coming across my face, from my cheeks, from my nose, from my chin? Because I can see that. Wow, I'm loving it. I feel like for the very first time, I'm liking my look without a lipstick. So now that we are done with our maximum of the face, now it's time to highlight our lips. I have got 3 lipsticks. So for one lipstick, I'm going to use as a lip liner, and that's going to be the nude shade. So the nude shade that I'm using is the P25 Rose Nude, the OG lipstick of Elitine, which our mom used to use. मतलब मेरी मम्मी तो बहुत यूज करती थी Elitine. I used to take it from a vanity and apply it. हम लोगों ने अपने फेयरवेल वगैरह में भी अपने मम्मी के प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करे हुए हैं। तो एलिटीन हैज टू बी लाइक माय फर्स्ट एवर ब्रांड जो मैंने जिसका मेकअप प्रोडक्ट या लिपस्टिक वगैरह यूज करी थी। सो always have use the tip of your lipstick to line them, and you don't need a lip liner. I mean, can you see this? I always does this when I don't have a lip liner. अभी तो मेरे पास है, but it's basically a hack. And if you guys have noticed, there are certain lipsticks, especially liquid lipstick, that comes in a way which can be helpful in applying it as a lip liner. You can also use any dark shade, but I feel like nude shade goes with every shade. And I can also fill a little bit of corners. Okay, now that we're done with the lining of our lips, we're doing an Indian makeup look, which means we will be using a lipstick which is little red. We have the red shade. I mean, I've never used the red shade, but we have the Rockstar Red. Let me just apply this first. Okay, I like this shade. I'm liking that little brownish tone coming because of the nude lipstick I applied. I'm liking this color. I don't know why, but I'm liking this color. I don't feel like applying anything. I'm just gonna darken it up. Lovely, absolutely lovely shade. I mean, I'm liking this look, but we have certain things to add. I'm using this the lightest. I think this is the light lip gloss, which is Peachy Pie, to make it a little pink. I feel like it's coming across as all red. So I'm using this Elatine's Oh My God lip gloss shade Peachy Pie. Let me just apply it on the lips. Different. I mean, loving it. I think we're just almost done with the makeup, but I feel like applying a little highlighter. So for highlighter, I'm using this one from Swiss Beauty. I'm gonna use it like this for the shine. Here, here, that's it. And a little bit, I think, on my inner corner, inner eyes. You guys know what I'm talking about. ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे से ये look देते हैं ना जब आप. My eyes are highlighted after this, and I think now we just got done with the look. Now we're adding this neck piece because my neck looks so empty without this. मैंने शादी में ये neck piece डाला था तो मेरा look तभी निकल गया था. But just look at the glow that this makeup has given me. I mean, oh my god. That is why I like this Indian makeup sort of look. So I have just realized that we have not done the mascara. Oh my god, how can I forget mascara? Okay, for mascara I'm going to use the Hyper Curl from Maybelline. It is not that bad. पहले मैंने last बहुत बोला है कि ये इतना अच्छा mascara नहीं है, but it's a good one. So mascara के लिए for the affordable range, this is a good mascara. So I think that was it for today's video. If you guys have enjoyed it, okay. If you guys want like nude lipstick, then tan nude is your shade from Elidine, and you can literally layer it up with your rose nude. So these two shades will be ideal for a nude lipstick, but I feel like having a red or pink sort of lipstick today will be ideal for this look. That's why I did this. Because of eyeshadow, it is important to apply mascara, or else you guys can also skip mascara. I feel like that. So this is our overall look. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. If you enjoyed this, just give me your heartful comment if you've loved it, because मुझे नहीं पता चलेगा if you guys have enjoyed this video until unless you give it a thumbs up. But commenting on this video will give me a boost and a motivation to make such videos in the future more for you all. And thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye.